And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And this is some neon pink. And I want to do some strange stuff, starting with a whole lot of neon, with as much pink as I'm allowed to have. Never mind. I've got a skewer and I know how to use it. And that should be fine. And I broke it right in the tip. That's a first. Hey, at least I can see daylight through the tip, so we're good. So I just want to play fast and loose with paint, which means, again, really? Okay, fine, be that way. I guess a sharper point on my skewer and rotate it around inside up there to get whatever else is coming out. And there seems to be quite a bit of it. The threads get dried paint in them, and then they come off when you open the bottles to make more. So now I've got some color shifting folk art orange, which I'm not a big fan of, to tell you the truth, and some other orange, which I'm okay with, and that, which is really cool, and some pink, some purpley pink, and some magenta, and some of my folk art neon purple that I might leave over there because I think I'm going to use that again. Oh, I left a spatula out. Don't do that. Into the bucket it goes. There is my color shifting. There was my color shifting purple flash. I've got gold and I know how to use it, and I'm going to try a little bit of blue right down there and some up there. And then I'm just going to grab an OXO omelet turning spatula. I'm going to spread that blue first, because if I don't, I'm going to have something else in there. I'm going to wipe that color off. Okay, so I'm going to go this way, scrape off my spatula, try not to make any green. Probably could have waited on that blue. I think I'm going to grab some white, white metallic from Anita's and use it like I like to use it. And it's making cells, which is always nice. Grab some more of my favorite magenta. Maybe I'll knock that off over there. I did make some green, but if I don't mess with it too much, it might not get too overwhelming. I felt that grit. I heard it actually. Kind of want to put some black in here, but I'm not done playing yet. And I really love what happens with the white metallic.
You remember how to cook them?
I'm recording. I'm recording, okay?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Just thought I'd let you know. My husband just found a way to get fiddleheads shipped down from Maine through Etsy. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have told the secret. But he wants somebody to cook them, evidently. And I used to cook them pretty well. With lots of onions and bacon fat and plenty of butter. Yum. I kind of want some green over here, but I've got other colors. I'm going to take this paint and use it on this edge, because it's just sitting there waiting for me to decide what to do with it. And if I don't do anything but tap gently, I might not make muck. And I'm not really thrilled about the idea of making muck. But using so many colors, especially some that don't go together, could be a problem. I am seeing that I like that blue. I've been having a really good time making these abstract expressionist pieces of art. I'm going to have a better time now that that piece of hair isn't tickling my shoulder that was blowing in the breeze of the fans. This is a Venetian blue from Masterminds. It's an iridescent, and I just found that piece of grit on my spatula again, which is not making me happy. But I'm going to take all of that paint right off of there and let it go down over this edge. And hopefully that piece of grit will go with it. So I'm going to wipe that off again. I just wanted to use some neon pink. I don't use enough of it for sure. I've got another purple I like a lot. And I'm just going to go for this. When I see white and I like the space that it leaves and it's canvas, then I give myself permission to put some more in there. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time it works. I could tilt this. I could put chain in it. I might have to try one of these with chain. The paint has to be pretty heavy. I haven't put any gold in, and I haven't put any black in. I got a little piece of canvas there. Also, I love skewers. And skewers can make all kinds of things happen. You can integrate whatever you want with a skewer quite easily. Even things that land places you didn't expect them to go. Alright, I'm holding onto a spatula. That's going in the bucket. I've got other ones that I just washed. Just going to tap that till it disappears. I'm just going to pull on that till it integrates. Then I have to decide what next. And I think a little more orange in that spot. Along with maybe a little bit of pink. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means I don't have to worry about the paint being too heavy when it dries and cracking most generally. Let me grab a clean skewer. Clean skewers are always a good solution to having other colors of paint. I'm wanting to pull a little paint right there. So what am I going to do? I've got some white, and I'm going to fill in my spaces, and I'm either going to use blue. I think I'm going to use blue. This might be terrible. I gotta know. I'm still dogged by that piece of grit. I can't even believe it. Alright, so we're just going to keep playing. And I'm going to keep wiping off my spatula, hoping to get rid of that, whatever it is. Maybe that's it. That's probably not it. Okay, patience. I think that is some enamel, and I'd love to see what happens with that. I liked this better before. That doesn't mean I won't like it again. I still want to just put some black in there. And other colors. Alright, so we have to decide to be brazen or not. Is it going to be purple? I think so. It'll be different. I can use chain. I can use all kinds of stuff. I'm going to use some of that pink. Even though it's dear. I know it's going to lead other paint, and I'll be able to move right down over that. Kind of like that digging through and exposing that. That's cool. Just makes me want to do other things like that. So the canvas is primed to start with. So even if you dig down and you see some pink canvas like that, I like how the magenta has stained it. In any case, it's still okay. I don't have any teal in there at all. And I bet Oh, I do have some time left. Cool. I don't really want the turquoise in there, but I'd like some of that darker turquoise, which I am looking at. It's right here. That's the drama I might be looking for. I'm going to try and get back to my... I'm still inclined to try and put some gold in there somewhere. I'm just not sure where yet. That kind of made up its mind for me when it exploded. I like that turquoise and pink often will make a beautiful blue. I better be careful. I don't know where I'm going anymore. But I'm going to use the paint I've got to cover that edge. And then if I still don't like it, I'm going to put something else in there. Like chain. That's kind of cool. I like that. That's not bothering me. What else do I want in there? I think I need something darker than that. This is fun. Haha. Alright, so I'm not done playing by any stretch. But what am I going to add, and why are all these bottles in my way? I think I know that it's time to find out if I can put the gold in there right after I mess with this. Don't like that. I do like that teal in there. I didn't expect that to explode out like that. I like that mark I had. That's okay. Accidents are good, especially when you're working with accidental art. So if I don't go too much further with that, I might be okay with it. I'm having a really good time, no matter what I sound like. That's cool. Let's put 2 or 3 colors together. 4 or 5. I'm getting a new piece of chain. That one's just got too much paint on it. That's not bad. I'm okay with that. I see that thing that does not belong. Be it bug or organic. Well, I wasn't really totally expecting this to be a chain pull, but I don't mind that it is. Just use that turquoise right over the edge down there. It's good colors. I don't have any Prussian blue in there. I think this purple's going to work too, though. Stepping on my own feet. I love seeing the colors that get exposed. Now I can twirl my chain in spirals if I want to, and I'm not doing too much of that, and that's okay. I think a little bit might go a long way. That was kind of different, kind of cool. Whoa, that came out really fast. I forget it's so hot out here. You'd think I wouldn't, would you? I have kind of a stiff chain, so I think another one's going to have to come in handy. And fortunately I have another one. Pick that right up. Alright, I've got a couple minutes left to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. I'd kind of like to keep playing with this for a while, so I'll probably just keep doing that till we run out of time. I love you guys. There's 86,700 of you today when I'm making this recording. I have another channel called Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art. Little spiral. Maybe one right here too. Just lay it down, pull it out, see what I get. Orbs. Just not done playing at all. It's cheerful colors, I like it. And I like the other colors left in my chain. Still want to add black. If I add a little bit of black, I'm probably going to want to add a whole lot more. Or I could just leave it alone. I'm probably going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I don't mind if there's just a little bit of black. And there's enough paint everywhere so that if I want to continue making orbs, I can, as long as I can rotate my turntable. So please share my videos, and thank you to those of you who have. I appreciate it very much. And I appreciate the thumbs up very much too. Your comments keep my morale boosted. So thank you for those as well. I guess it's just turning into a spiral piece, which is really okay. Because I do love them. And I love you guys too. I know, I'm just saying that. Oh, I just destroyed some really pretty cells, darn. Alright, so there's 1 minute left, and whatever I tell you, I'm going to have to tell you quickly. And I want to mention there's 1,360 videos on created playlists under all playlists, organized by genre and by the 100. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. We'll show you tomorrow's video. Most of those links, all of those links are on the link tree. It's the first link below the video. And you can find Teespring clothing underneath the video also. Pictures of it. It's all over print leggings and t-shirts a lot of times, and a whole lot of variations, including baby onesies and tapestries and coffee mugs and stuff. But any shopping you do helps me out a little bit, and I appreciate it. Revenues at YouTube are down to about 15% of what they were, and I have not decreased the amount of videos that I post. So having you guys help me afford art supplies, and thank you, Joanne. I guess that's it. I'm gone. I'll be covering my edges for a while, and I'll see you anon. I doubt whether you're still here, but it's okay if you are or not, because I'm pretty happy with all of that.